Welcome back to our cooking lesson. So today I'm going to share some wonderful cooking tips on how to fry fish. So guys, anytime you want to fry fish, any kind of fish, this is a Titus fish. I don't know what you call it in your local area, but this is Titus. Any kind of fish you want to fry, mackerel, croaker, saltfish, even the banla fish, any kind of fish you want to fry. Do not use groundnut oil. You can call it groundnut oil, vegetable oil, whatever. But you know this oil, right? Do not use this kind of oil to fry your fish. I'm talking about fish frying. Let me show you what oil you're supposed to use. This, yes, local palm oil from Africa. And let me tell you why you should use palm oil to fry your fish, any kind of fish. You see, when you use your vegetable oil to fry fish, have you noticed that like soft fish like this one, like Titus, sometimes it will burn, sometimes it will stick to the bottom of your frying pan or your pot. And if you're frying it, the oil will scatter, it will splash all over the place. It can even splash on your face. So that's why you don't need to use vegetable oil. And it doesn't look nice and tasty. You see, palm oil. African vegetable, this is the African palm oil fruit. If you use palm oil to fry your fish, number one, the taste is better. Number two, the fish is together. The skin of the fish is not going to break. It's not going to stick to your pot or your pan. It will be very tasty. It will be strong and retain the whole taste. You can imagine buying soft fish, you're frying it. Then when you're about serving it, you're seeing pieces of fish scattered in your food. You were like, what? That is what vegetable oil does to your fish. So please, whenever you want to fry fish, do not forget, palm oil is the best. All right, subscribe to our channel and follow us, guys. Next time, I'm going to teach you how to make banga soup, African banga soup. And lots of entertainment is coming on our YouTube channel and Instagram channel. So you can follow us and subscribe. Cheers!